Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today for you a very nice, clean, very original 2016 Bobcat S750 rubber tired skid steer loader. This machine is completely loaded up. Cab heat air, 2-speed power attach, joystick control, 7-pin attachment control device. Just a very nice, clean, original machine. The only thing that was painted on this machine was the bucket, and these hubs were faded out, the wheels, and we just went ahead and touched the hubs up. All the lights original, cab, everything is original. Just 913 hours on it. You'll hear a fan running in the background. We just shut it off. It has an optional cooling fan that goes in the door on these, which is a neat option that it has that. And they'll run for about 10 minutes. I just wanted to show everybody that they worked. So with our normal video here, we're going to start, run and work this machine, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. We'll start right back here in the engine compartment. So this is a little different grill in the back, but this is from Bobcat. It's a cooling package. There's an option for this machine that has it. Two little fans on both sides draw cool air in, blow it through the engine compartment whenever you shut them off. Back bumper is extremely straight. Back door, all paint's original. We did put a new decal on, but it's got a couple scratches in the back door. There's one here, here, a couple down there, and one up here. I wanted to let this thing all original just because it's that nice of a machine. So, in the engine bag, powered by a 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This machine's 3,200 pound to lift. Really a nice size skid loader here. We just had it in the shop. We've done a complete and full service. Everything here has changed. I used all OEM Bobcat filters. From our local dealer here, we did engine oil, fuel, both internator air, hydraulic, charge fan filter, anything it required, it got. It does have a block heater option on it also. When I say this thing is loaded up, it is very good and loaded up. Underneath this compartment here is going to be your radiator, your AC condenser, cooling package for your hydraulic system. Everything is located underneath this cover. Now, right here, there is a ding right here in this machine. I want everybody to know it. It doesn't hurt nor affect anything. Story I got from the customer, they had a truck run off and hit it, and I do believe that. It was a bumper, or actually on the back of their tailgate of their dump truck. The truck had run backwards and caught it. And you can see right there, it scratched it up. And it goes just like that. There's nothing in here, nothing structural. I want everybody to know that. A lot of people have smeared some white paint over it. Never said anything about it, but I'm not going to be that way. I left it the way it is, so everybody knows that, okay? 2-speed, you can see how nice and straight the rest of the panels are. Thing was never in any salt, anything like that. It is a 2016. There's no oil leaks. Boom is nice and straight. You can see all the zinc plating you can see on the pins, which you should be able to do with a 900 iron machine. It's just well taken care of. Look at all the bolt heads on the frame. All of those, all the paint in here is original. We've waxed this machine. I did put 4 brand new V-Stone 12/16/5 heavy duty tires with rim guard on it. Coming up front, this is the bucket that's with it. I just painted it because it's all scratched up, cleaned out obviously. Listen, that's a beautiful Bobcat 80-inch bucket with bolt on cutting edge. Gentleman welded hook here, a hook on the opposing side and a hook in the center. Bucket is absolutely in beautiful condition. Coming up front, you will have power, standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. It's in excellent condition. I didn't paint the quick attach. I didn't touch any of this up down here. I wanted to let that all original. There is some stone chips in here from where material gets in between. Same on the opposing side. 7-pin attachment control device, auxiliary hydraulics, 23 GPM, K-string coupler standard. Cab is in very nice shape. Grab handles are straight. Top of the cab is straight. Very nice there. Door seal is in good shape. It didn't need replaced. Door is excellent. Shuts very nice and tight to the machine. And again, this is a selectable joysticks machine. Before I go in the cab, we'll show you right here. The other side matches this side. You can see still all the zinc plating, 4 new tires. Hydraulic level is right in the spot that it's supposed to be. Again, zinc plating on all your pins. Just an extremely clean machine. We'll take the camera here. We're going to head right up here in the cab. Suspension Bobcat high back seat, fully adjustable, forward reverse. This does have all your sound deadening material. So this would be what they call an A71 package, I believe. So you do have all your sound deadening, AM FM radio with MP3. You got cab heat air, joystick control. One nice thing on the Bobcat, they do have this made where your joysticks are fully adjustable forward and back. Throttle, power bob attach up and down, ISO or H pattern, start. Then we'll go ahead and fire it up. Shut this door here. Cab heat air all works. Good cold air. Here's all your display settings, no active warnings. There is your custom display for all the temperatures, pressures and stuff. 913.5 hours. It does have auto idle, auxiliary hydraulics, standard, RPM, volt, service clock is off, and there is no error codes on that side. Push to operate button, if you can see there. Park brake, auto level. 2-speed button will be here. I'm going to go ahead and pull down my bar. We'll go ahead and set the part. I'll push to operate and we'll show you a little something. If you push that snail, it's going to come up and it's going to show speed, but you can tune that up, tune it down, all from the rabbit mode or turtle mode, okay? We'll clear up to 94 there. I'm going to take that off. It's going to come up and say STD, which is standard. It puts you back to standard. It has a horn, has a cup holder. I think I just gave my buddy about a heart attack there. Sliding windows. Cubby hole down here, cigarette lighter, lap shoulder brace here for the 2-speed, all inducted heat and air in the ceiling. Bobcat has really done a nice job on their heat and air system. Air works again, windshield washer. Very clean machine, which you should expect a very clean machine from a machine that is 913 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this machine up. I'm going to run it around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. We'll show you power bob attach. We'll show you that the H patterns work, the whole 9 yards. Here we go. it threw the motor back up. Got auto idle now. And everybody to see I'm using this hand steer with my function. Okay. The door sensor's hooked up working, so this joystick will not work. I am on ISO pattern. I'm going to shut that door to show you the ISO is working. Then I'm going to switch it over to H. I'm going to go back, push the operate button, and then I will operate in an H pattern. hour machine, 2016, 3,200 pound of lift, 80-inch bucket, 12/16/5 rubber. Oh, I bet the tires there. Anyhow, joystick, cab heat, air, power attach, 2-speed, very nice, clean, original machine. If you are looking for something nice, keyless, it is loaded up. Very nice machine. Come run it, work it yourself. If you're looking for a nice big loader, here is something to take a look at. If you have any questions on this machine or any of the other machines we have for sale, please check our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply. 88 is our user ID. Remember, here at Mark Supply Company, we pride ourselves in doing service work, putting a good quality product out the door. We try to buy a lot of nice late model stuff with low hours. It's getting harder to find. But here is a nice original 913-hour machine. It's loaded up. So if you got any questions, you want to stop by and see it yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. Again, I'm Nick Miller, and I can be reached at 814-658-3066. And if you need a transport quote, let us know. I'll be glad to get you one also. We ship every day. Again, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. As always, have a great day.